captures the intriguing juxtaposition of tranquility, associated early morning, and the mystery of the night. This effect blends ambient textures, harmonic richness, and spatial nuances to create a unique and atmospheric audio experience. When applied, the morning night effect envelops your sound in a delicate balance of calmness and intrigue. It introduces subtle transitions and evocative tones that evoke the peacefulness of dawn and the enigmatic allure of nighttime. Whether used on synths, vocals, or other elements, the morning night effect is a compelling choice for musicians and producers seeking to craft composition that bridge the serene ambience of the morning with the mysterious depth of the night, creating a captivating sonic journey that unfolds with each listen. The electric water effect electrifies your sound with a dynamic and vibrant sonic quality, blending the fluidity of water with the energetic characteristics of electricity. This effect combines harmonic richness, dynamic movement, and spatial depth to create a captivating and immersive sonic experience. When applied, the electric water effect enriches the audio with a sense of fluidity and energy, reminiscent of water coursing to the electric currents. It introduces a unique and lively texture to the sound, making it stand out with a dynamic and electrifying character. Whether applied to synths, guitars, or other elements, this effect is a creative choice for musicians and producers, aiming to inject a touch of aquatic inspired vibrancy and electric energy into their compositions, creating a landscape that sparkles and surges with vitality. The diamond major effect elevates your sound with a pristine, radiant, and harmonically rich sonic quality, inspired by the brilliance and clarity of a diamond. This effect combines harmonic enhancement, dynamic modulation, and spatial processing to create a majestic and sparkling audio experience. When applied, the diamond major effect enriches the harmonic structure with a serene quality, brilliance, and grandeur, akin to the luminous qualities of a diamond. It introduces a unique and radiant texture to the chords, making them stand out with a majestic and elegant character. Whether applied to synths, vocals, or other harmonic elements, this effect is a captivating choice for musicians and producers, aiming to craft compositions that exude purity, brilliance, and a sense of timeless beauty, resonating with the clarity and vibrancy that captivates the listener's imagination.